BlizzAir AC, a tiny portable device, no installation. And supposedly, it can cool your room in minutes. Yeah, sure. Now watch their own ad. I'm rewinding it. See that temperature? 58 degrees Celsius. That's over 130 degrees Fahrenheit. So their amazing air conditioner is making things hotter. Great start. Let's check the next video. What's inside this thing? A fan, a heat exchanger, some copper lines. Looks convincing for about 2 seconds. Then you notice this. Where do those lines go? Because in a real air conditioner, they connect to an outdoor unit. That's where the heat gets dumped. But here, no outdoor unit. Maybe the website explains how they built an air conditioner with half the air conditioner missing. Let's see. Big headline, big AC companies hate this technology. Of course they do. Then we get TurboCool technology, up to 75% less energy, better than office AC units, better than fans. And look at this chart. BlizzAir wins everything. What a shock. I keep scrolling. Videos, claims, more claims, but no real explanation. How does it cool the room? A real AC moves heat from inside your room to the outside. Indoor unit, outdoor unit, heat goes out. That's the whole point. BlizzAir shows the indoor part. The outdoor part? Gone. So where does the heat go? Nowhere. Heat doesn't magically disappear because a landing page says TurboCool. That's not innovation. That's a fight with thermodynamics, and thermodynamics is undefeated. Also, notice the device has no visible brand name, no manufacturer, nothing. So I searched Alibaba, and there it is, same device, except the listing doesn't call it an air conditioner. It's a small fan heater. That explains the ad showing 58 degrees Celsius. The heater was heating. Mystery solved. It can run with the heater turned off, which makes it a basic fan. Wholesale price, around $9. Now, let's check BlizzAir. They want roughly $140. So we have a $9 fan heater being sold as a portable AC for about $140. Super, bro. But maybe the reviews save it. Their page claims more than 75,000 happy customers and shows a 5-star Trustpilot-style rating. So I checked the real Trustpilot page, 0 reviews, not one. That's awkward. Then I checked the domain registration. The website was registered on July 16th, just a couple of weeks earlier. So how did a brand new site already get 75,000 happy customers? That claim doesn't hold up. The numbers simply don't add up. And here's the best part. I've seen this exact ad before. The same device was sold under another name, Epicooler. So I checked those reviews, same product image, Trustpilot rating 1.2, and the reviews are overwhelmingly negative. Customers call it a scam. They say it doesn't cool like an air conditioner because it can't. It's a heater with a fan. People also report problems getting refunds. So this device is being marketed as something it physically cannot be. It cannot work as a real air conditioner. No outdoor unit, no heat exhaust, no actual AC system. Just a cheap fan heater, a new name, and a very expensive story. Thanks for watching. Take care.